Hello. Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. So a couple of weeks ago we had Halloween. I made some pulled pork sliders for everyone, and to go with that I made a spiced apple chutney. So this is how we got on. This is the recipe. Hope you all like it. Let's get you started.
So let's go. I am the best.
So first of all, what we're going to need is 12 apples, 2 1/4 cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of crushed ginger, 2 to 3 chilies, so I've got 2 1/2, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 4 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, and a tiny microphone. So first things first, we're going to get these peeled. Little pro tip, pop a tray down when you're peeling stuff, so then you can just remove it and start cutting straight on the tray, on the bench. It's quite that simple, isn't it? That's it, voila. Chop. Look at that. Chopped as rough as Stanley. Or for anyone in Melbourne, Frankston. Chop. Alright, a little dash of oil. Get that onto a pretty low heat. With your cardamom pods, you want to just break them open. You don't want to smash them up, just want to gently tap.
All you gotta do is just tap it in. Just tap it in.
Just so they pop. Alright, just like that. In. Cloves in. We're going to put our cumin and turmeric all in as well, like you sort of would with a curry. So in there, mix it up. Going to make a little bit of a paste. Fry off the spice a little. So we're going to stew the apples for around 15 minutes, and we're going to add in sugar, vinegar and ginger. So apples are soft and giving off plenty of liquid there. So I'm going to throw in our ginger. Get in, yeah. And the enormous amount of sugar. Alright, so that's more like a syrup now. So just simmer it away gently. Chuck in that vinegar, give it some bit of tang. Not a me. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna make that, I'm gonna pop this onto a, oh shit, just fucking splashed myself. I'm gonna chuck this on a really low heat, just on a different hob. So I'm gonna leave the lid off and let that bubble away again. We'll check in again in another 15 to see how we're looking. Alright. They're nice. It looks really good. It looks pretty wet still, but I'm just going to let it sit. I'm going to turn the heat off and let that sugar do its thing and get sticky. Jarred it. Forgot to video it. Not that exciting.
3 days later.
We even had the Supreme Leader call by, and he really enjoyed his sandwich. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hate us because they hate us!
They hate us because they ain't us!